One major task that is always a challenge is taking stock of the rhino through DNA sampling, vaccinations, and herd management.
When it comes to caring for the rhinos, it's also not just feeding them. Although feeding them is a big chunk of the cost, but there's the veterinary care. There's all the compliance issues. You know, in South Africa, owning a rhino is very regulated. Right from, DNA sampling, maintaining your stud book, making sure that all your permits are in place. It takes a lot of effort and work, and we've got somebody working full-time on just that. That all adds up eventually.
Part of raising funds for rhino care is providing the opportunity for conservationists to participate in the process through paid hunts and excursions auctioned by Dallas Safari Club. One of those conservationists is Gina Archer, who along with her husband made a contribution to visit Rockwood and assist in the darting of a rhino in order to provide vaccines and sample DNA.
At DSC, when we purchased the auction, it was still kind of a vague idea. We knew, obviously by the description what it would include, but once you get here, it becomes abundantly clear how much that entails, how much bigger of a cause and operation that it is here. A new experience for us, something we haven't done before, while giving us the opportunity to help, to give back, to participate in the conservation of the rhino.
Prior to heading into the field, Vickers gives Gina instruction on the dart rifle in order to tranquilize the rhino effectively.
We're going to open it, the vet is going to load it.
Okay.
He's going to hand it to you on safe,
Okay.
and you're going to take the shot. This is almost like when you shoot with an arrow.
With an arrow. I am most excited about darting the rhino to help with the vet check, with the veterinary exam and taking the blood and everything else they're going to do, and getting very up close with the animal and helping with the conservation process by continuing the work that they do here and just being able to be a very small part of this big job that they do.
So now you just push it forward.
Okay.
So if you push it forward, you see you forward and backwards, and then you adjust the height. And if you want to move it,
I think we're good right here.
then you can take the shot. Turn it to me like the center.
On the black diamond, 2 inches to the left and 1 inch down.
Really?
Perfect.
There's no wind in the barn.
If you can shoot that black piece in the middle from 40 yards, you're on the money. It's like that type of grouping with a gun.
After Gina gets up to speed with Vickers on the dart rifle operation, they are ready to head out into the field to track the rhino that is to undergo its vaccination and DNA testing.